Hi guys, good morning. We're back at SSP. Today we're working on the 94 NSX. Whoever makes this hood needs to go home and do nothing. This is probably the shittiest hood I've ever touched in my life. Look at this. This is why I tell you NSX owners, spend the money and get a real hood. Okay, come here, let me show you. What do I tell the customer when the hood is sitting a bajillion miles on top of the fender? Like, and then what do I tell the customer about that? The hood's like this, and it's supposed to be like this. I'm gonna take pictures of this. It's supposed to be like this, but the fiberglass mold fucking sucks ass. So, the customer's not gonna like it, but I mean, this is my car. Thank God this isn't. I take this hood and throw it in the garbage can. It's not even touching the. It's not even touching the rubber that adjusts the.
Way high over here.
I mean, how do you repair this? You take the hood and you strap it this way, and you reheat the hood, and it won't. Fiberglass is already molded. So one way to attempt to fix it is to lower this latch down to get rid of this. But then hold on. Then the back decides to sit up even more, and then this goes down too low that the bumper doesn't want to fit it. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit the bumper. I'm going to close the hood, take some pictures of it, send it to the customer, and let him decide what he wants to do. Me personally, I take this hood, again, I throw it in the garbage can. I would never even bother touching it. But I'd be ordering a brand new OEM hood. And hell, if you want to go spend some money, cut the duct out on the OEM hood and make yourself a real Type R hood. So far so good. This hood just, yeah, this is how I want it. Okay, Steve, I need you to cut like this much of the hood off, and bring it down an inch.
Shape that, yeah.
And reshape this hood for free.
Right, for free. Yeah, you can do that.
And then I need you to do the same thing to this side, but I think this side need to cut the hood like all the way this way because it's sitting too high over here.
You know, it's going to be way easier if I just bundle the edge of this fender up.
or we're gonna build the. No, hold on. If you bundle the edge of the fender up, what about the door? You're gonna have to bundle the door. Then this hood fits like shit.
What you do is you just guide coat it, shoot a little paint on there, and just kind of hide all that shit. You know, we won't paint it.
How are you gonna hide this?
What are you gonna do with this thing? Did this guy really bring this? Well, here's the thing is, customer doesn't. We pull that down a little bit more. I don't know how it's gonna affect the bumper, but you could probably get some more out of it by pulling it down.
Yeah.
That back there, there's not much you're really gonna do with that.
Unless you zip tie the edge of it.
Yeah. You know what? I have some real clean zip ties. You do a nice little hole, make it look clean.
Like they do in the CRXs. You got the zip tie holding the bumper and the fender with the X's like
they
this.
do the little X, yeah.
You have a customer come in with a thing like this, what do you do?
Oh, we don't do.
You want me to paint it or not?
We don't do this shit. No.
I know.
We just tell them. You know, a lot of times we don't do any customer's products for sure. And if we do, I just tell them, you know, I'm gonna paint it. This is the way it's gonna fit.
Right.
We're not doing no work on that.
Well, how do you fix this? You just don't. I mean,
You don't. There's no way. I mean, I'm sure you can fix it. You can grind a lot of that off of there. You can bend that hinge. You know, there's multiple ways of doing it, but.
And it's still gonna work because it's part of that.
Yeah. Paul?
These cars come with a hood like that?
The Japanese O2 O2 and
you
up
get that
top,
hood?
15 grand
For that hood?
for the hood. OEM, it comes with the scoop. The Type R's only came like that.
Gotcha.
So if it was me, I'd go buy a $2,000 OEM hood, and I really want that Type R look. I'd cut the thing in, and have some aluminum guy fab it all in for me. You know what I mean? Give him this and be like, here, I need you to scoop this in.
You could build a lot of shit for 15 grand.
Yeah.
But, yeah.